Hi guys. So as you can see, we are in our mini factory and we are doing unboxing of some of our tools. And today, well, it's not like I've not, but I've unboxed this one before. This is our stock pot. Our stock pot. Because what we do here, we do proper production. We do proper production. We don't just mix anything and package it for you guys. So before you say, your product is costly, our product is not costly. So compared to the process it goes through before it come out natural and fine. So this is our stock pot, and this is about it's big, it's really big, but the camera is not doing justice. So, and this is the second one. It's very big. So this is our stock pot for our production process, and these are the cover. So for our one of our grinder. This is our one of our grinder. Oh, I don't know if it's razor here or
Ako nga, okay, yung kayo.
So this is one of our miller for over how many months now, but I refuse to unbox it. Okay, it was when we were rounding up the last production that I got the info. I was like, no need of opening it until we get our place. We already have gotten another grinder. That one is specifically for grinding of plates. So instruction. Is this one again?
Thank you.
Jesus. I clean kitchen equipment, anything kitchen equipment. He's on Instagram and he's very genuine. So if you want to shop your kitchen items, and he sells it very affordable. He sells at good price. As you can see my 450,000 on IG. I don't know. Let's see, mama. Okay guys, that's all for now. I'm going to get back to you guys after 6 minutes. Let's see. So check comments for iClink kitchen equipment on IG.